Hi there, Darcy here from Perfect Surfaces. Today we're going to talk a little bit more about the best way to cut rubber flooring. Come on in. One of the most common questions we hear is, how do I cut rubber flooring? Today we're going to share some useful techniques, tips, and tricks on how to efficiently cut your rubber flooring. What do I need to cut rubber flooring? The two most important tools are a sharp knife and a good straight edge. What type of sharp knife should I use? Although there are many different styles of knives that can be used, the most important thing is to have a good sharp blade. We typically suggest a solid utility knife with replaceable blades like an Olfa utility knife. What type of straight edge should I use? Now, any type of straight edge really will work, even something as simple as a piece of wood that you have laying around. But a cut-resistant edge like this aluminum edge is usually best. What's the best technique to cut rubber flooring? Depending on the type of rubber and how thick it is, it may take one cut or it may take several cuts for the incision to go completely through the rubber. The key here is to keep the straight edge firmly in place while making each cut, so each incision is on the exact same line, leaving you with a straight and precise finished edge. Tips and tricks. To avoid damage to the surface below and to protect your knife from premature dulling, place a scrap piece of rubber or cut-resistant material beneath the rubber you are cutting. For smaller cuts around odd shapes such as doorways, columns, or anything else that may not be continuous straight line, like a wall, you may want to use a square like this one. Now, we hope that this video has provided some useful tips and tricks when cutting your rubber flooring. For more information, please visit us in store or online at perfectsurfaces.ca. Thanks for watching.